Welcome to this week's dance tutorial. My name's Faith, this is Rachel, and that's Taylor. We're doing Dancing with Fitz number 2, and this is Fitz. Hey, we're going to be breaking down the moves for this dance. Okay, so the first move that we're going to do today is we're going to make sure our left foot is out and our right foot's over in the back. Our arms are out like this. So that's our starting position, okay guys? So we're going to do this 4 times. So we're going to jump in and jump out. Back on this leg, then we're going to jump in and out on the right leg, okay? And we're going to do it again and again. Okay, so that's 4 times. Does everyone want to do that? Yep. Alright, ready, set, go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Alright, do you want to do that with the music? Good. Alright, so it's really, really fast, okay guys? So you have to make sure that you're ready to do it. Okay guys, do you do that again?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, do you want to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, alright guys. So the second move that we're going to do today, okay, so our left foot's going to be out, our right foot's going to be back, arms are going to be up, and we're going to step forward 3 times. Okay, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, and step in. Okay, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
We're going to do that one more time. Ready, set, go. Step, step, step. Good. All right, we're going to do that 2 more times. Everyone ready? But we're going to do it with the music. Okay. Is everyone ready? Okay. We're going to do that one more time. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Good guys. Alright, so the third dance move that we are going to learn, okay? So our feet are going to be together, our knees are going to be bent, our arms are going to be on our knees, okay? So we are going to go out and move our body to the left, in, and move our body to the right, out, move our body to the left, in, move our body to the right. Okay, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
So we're going to do that 3 times. Okay, so we're going to do one without the music. Is everyone ready? So 1, 2, 3. And ends and close. Easy peasy? Yeah. Good job with the music all together?
Yes.
Alright, is everyone ready? Good. 2 more times, I think. Alright, is everyone ready? Good. All right, one more time. Okay. Good. Good job, guys. So the 4th dance move that we're going to learn today involves both of our arms and our legs on our left side over like this. Okay. So this leg is bent, this leg is straight. Okay. Our right arm stays straight down the bottom. Okay, so we're going to go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Easy peasy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to do that 5 times. Once we come back to the middle, we're going to put our arm out, we're going to put our right leg out and our right arm up and then bounce. Yes?
Yeah.
Everyone ready? So we'll do ones without the music. So we're going to go left, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bounce. Easy?
Yeah.
Alright, 3 times with the music, okay guys, everyone ready?
Yeah.
Alright, again with the music. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're doing that one more time with the music, okay guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the fifth and final dance move that we are going to learn today, back in this position that we ended with, we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 times, okay guys? Alright, so when we do that, we need to make sure that we're going to flick up and flick down. So everyone ready?
Yeah.
Alright, with the music? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, ready? Alright, 2 times more with the music, guys. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time with the music, guys. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
So we're gonna wrap it up one more time for this dance tutorial. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Okay, thank you guys for coming today. Keep practicing all those dance moves and we'll see you next time. Bye guys!